Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Edge that was released today. Edge 107 is now in the house, and this is the latest version for Microsoft Edge, released today, October 27th, 2022. So if you want to see if you've got the latest version, you can go on to the upper right corner in the three horizontal dots. Go into Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. This will update to 107.0.1418.24. Not a lot, or really not much front-facing features. Just one is the sidebar now actually gives you access to productivity tools. So if you are, looking away for easy access to Office apps, stuff like that, it now actually adds these capabilities. For the rest, it's really just under the hood policies, all sorts of new policies and policy updates. I don't usually go into these policy updates because most people just never play with that. Some of you have asked me, maybe you could check those policy updates and let us know some of the interesting ones. So what I'll do is I'll actually go through the policies and try to make a video talking about some of the most interesting policies and features that you can actually enable from within Edge that are turned off or mitigated in some way. But for the most important thing, what is actually really important is that the new version, 107, actually has security updates. It actually has the Chromium security updates that Google Chrome actually had when it was released with version 107 also. So that means that for security reasons, it's a good idea to actually update your Edge browser because it will keep you safe. It is the number one way to stay safe, really, is to actually keep your browser up to date. It is the first bit of software that accesses the internet, so it is important to stay up to date with it. Of course, if you have a Chromium browser, make sure that you've checked for updates on your Chromium-based browser, be it Opera, Brave, and any other, except, of course, Firefox. And make sure that it is up to date to have all the security flaws from Chromium actually go through your browser also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.